Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing well in your homes. Today's topic is how to bend Depron foam using heat. Heat bending the foam requires patience, since Depron foam itself is very rigid and it breaks very easily when you try to bend it. Also, even if you manage to bend the foam without breaking, it won't retain the shape and would jump back to its original state. Applying heat actually changes the molecular structure of the foam so that it maintains the shape. You would want to have a metal pipe or any cylindrical object handy. I'm using an old water bottle, which is not in use anymore. Start by gradually heating the foam piece, not so much to burn it though. After heating it for a few seconds, start pressing it against the cylindrical object. Be careful as it will still break easily if you rush into bending it all at once. Repeat this for some time and keep increasing the pressure while bending until it starts coming into the desired shape. If you do it right, you will definitely start to see the desired shape. A few things to remember. Number 1. You will have to try it on a scraped piece of foam for the first time to get used to the idea. Number 2. Too much exposure to the heat will simply spoil the smooth surface of the foam, while less heat will simply cause the foam piece to snap while bending. Number 3. If you smell fumes while heating the foam, you are probably heating it too much. Number 4. Adult supervision is required if you are a minor. This is a great skill to learn if you are into scratch building and you find yourself working on foam a lot. If done right, it can bring huge difference in final outcome of your build. Make sure to check out my other video to see the real world outcome of this process. If you like watching such cool videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.